Hello guys, it's Tom GJ Airport, and this time I'm doing another infinite flight video. This time in the Lufthansa Airbus A340, because I updated it a couple of days ago, a couple of weeks now. And before I get on with this video, I got some news to tell you guys. On the 20th of April, next month, me and my Jet's 3242 will be going up to Manchester Airport. We're going up to Manchester Airport and doing some plane spotting vids. If you heard that calling out a minute ago, that was my dad. Anyway, let's get on with the video, guys. I don't think I don't think London's that bad. I think this is actually quite good. I mean, nothing went wrong there. I landed in the touchdown zone. And, in the middle, kind of. So, now we're going to do it in another view. Let's do it in, this view. Yeah, if you like the landing, please comment in the description below. Below the description. I will do it in view, so don't worry about that, guys. That was the front nose gear going down. Let's jog that back. Now let's do it this view. See how good the landing was from here. Look at the amazing detail they've done here. Coming in. It was a bit hard because the gear went kind of in then, but overall it was quite good. I mean, I went in the middle. Some kind of drifting off to the side there, but I do eventually go in, go back into the middle, because the middle of the runway is actually there. So see, I'm trying to get back in the middle. Anyway, let's do it in the other view. Let's do it. I can do it wing view now, which is pretty awesome. We could zoom it out a bit and let's zoom back in. It's better in. Better in now, they say. Right, we're coming in. There's that nice, just plain black Lufthansa tail view. And you see we're coming down. There's the runway. And you can see the spoilers coming up. I think this is a really good landing, actually. And the thing is, they should have it in a locked spot, because really in this view you won't be able to see. Well, you could actually, you would. But I think this view is quite good. No, what's that other view? It's this one. This one they should have it unlocked, because you won't be able to see that much of the wing, let alone you won't be able to see the fuselage. If you do, I would personally move it to get around like that. We'll do it from this view as well, and then we'll do it from the, oh god. Sorry about that, guys. Let's play it from here. I will probably soon next month be getting the A330s on here. I love how they've done the taxiways. I mean, next time they've got to do a terminal. As you can see, I've touched down. And as you can see there, I kind of, oh, don't worry, don't know what I was going to say. Let's do it. I found this really good view. You could do it like that. Let's just play it like this. And then it'll change to a view here, so you can see it from two different angles, and then the plane will shoot past you like that. And now let's seek it back a bit more as well, and let's do it from, don't know if we've done it from tower view. No, we haven't. Let's do it from tower view. Right, looking so good from here. And I love the landing. It's actually quite good. It's actually really good. I mean, how the wing, like the rotating the wing flex. Then from that views, could do it from this view if you want, guys. This is how I usually land, like this. I love how they do this talking thing on there. Even small details like, well, they don't really have it in this video, but they might need to work on the graphics like this because they're a bit blurry. But I like how you can look out the window there, and just zoom in on everything and stuff. I love how they've done it. Like, you can just look out the window like a normal, like a really good pilot and stuff. But but anyway, let's pause it. That it looks like now I'm coming off the runway, but we're going to do it in one final view, which is this view. This view is one of the best views. Anyways, play it. I think this is a new view that they've added to it. And yeah, and this time I'm going to do it from this view, and I'm going to do the whole taxi as well, but I'm going to speed the taxi up by doing the jog. I'm not going to actually play it, but anyway. The landing again from this view. I love Infinite Flight. It's like a mini Microsoft Flight Simulator X on iPad. And there you can see I've done I jog it. I've done the full taxi as well. As you can see, I'm coming off there. I go up here a bit. Don't know if these are cargo gates, but I couldn't turn couldn't turn at the turning point over there because I was taxiing a bit too fast, and I was going to go onto the grass. So this was the best option really. So I parked there, but I think that's good enough. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll hope to see you again soon. Oh, and by the way, airport is coming on great, as you can see it. You can see it there. You can see the remote stands and stuff, and see the Air Mexico and the Quantostown stuff. So yeah, that's coming on great, and the Air France is just coming off the turning point where they cross the runway. So he's just turning to the right, and he's gonna park where normally you would see the Monarch park. So that's where he's going. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys again soon on another video. Bye.